U.S. authorities are looking for a small plane carrying 10 people that has been reported missing in the state of Alaska. The U.S. Coast Guard for the Alaska region said a Cessna Caravan craft was 12 miles 19 km offshore on a flight from Unalakleet to Nome when its position was lost. The two cities are some 146 miles from each other across the Norton Sound, an inlet of the Bering Sea on Alaska's western coast. Search and rescue crews are working to get to the last known coordinates of the flight, state officials said in a statement. They said they had been notified of an overdue aircraft operated by the airline Bering Air at 16 o'clock local time on Thursday 01:00 GMT. The 10 people on board comprised 9 passengers and a pilot. The update from the Alaska Department of Public Safety said there was no information immediately available about who was on board. The volunteer fire department in the landing city, Nome, said the pilot had told air traffic controllers that he intended to enter a holding pattern while waiting for the runway to be cleared, giving information about its search and rescue mission. The Coast Guard said a plane had been sent to search for the last known positions of the missing craft. The search plane, which includes specialized equipment to locate objects and people with no visible conditions, will fly in a grid pattern over the water and shoreline. Elmendorf Air Force Base in Anchorage has also sent flight support.